travel down to the War Memorial. There's lots of space. There's lots of available space. 2 miles of boats. And, you know, just one of them was gunning to come out, but then 2 party dudes, they show up, they come, they wreck it. They knocked on our door, they described it to us in great detail about how they systematically dismantled the Floatman 3000. You know the model of which I speak. It's the one with the twin, it's the one with the prefabricated molded beer cooler. It's the one with all the glitter inside. And I don't care for that glitter. No, I just hate that glitter. It's like an entire bucket of glitter has been sieved and pressed down. The epoxy, a thin layer, as some sort of stand-in, as some sort of by proxy for the fake kind of magic that you're used to. A stand-in for the fake kind of magic that you're used to. And it's framed by the worst CGI folks you've ever seen, trust me. On the projection screen of the wall, it's the one with the spinning cubes and the dollar sign. Pulses in and pulses out and is gone, but only for a brief while. And she says to me, "Man, have you seen these boats?" She says to me, "Man, have you seen this glitter?" You can see the face of some ancient virtue in these boats. 2 miles of boats. So we do summer sauce twice a day.
What's summer sauce?
So we do.
What's summer sauce?
Do
What's
summer sauce twice a day, starting in April. And summer sauce is
What's summer sauce?
bourbon and Heinz 57 strained over ice in a rocks glass.
I'm not going to drink that.
Well, nobody asked you to drink that. And for the record, I didn't do it either.